Is your Bluetooth completely missing in Windows 11? No Bluetooth icon, no toggle, or it just won't turn on? Don't reinstall Windows just yet. In the next few minutes, I'll show you several proven fixes that can bring your Bluetooth back. But before we dive into the video, if you are stopping by for the first time, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to fix your Bluetooth missing in Windows 11, the first method is to restart your computer, okay? Sometimes a simple restart reloads the Bluetooth drivers. So you have to save your work and then you restart your PC. After you've restarted the PC, you now can check if the Bluetooth has appeared. So to do that, you're going to right click on the start and then you click on device manager. So at the device manager, in the list of devices, you can check if the Bluetooth has appeared, okay? So this is the first method, is to restart your computer. So the second method is to show hidden devices. So if your Bluetooth is not showing, we are going to show hidden devices in the device manager. So to do that, we are going to right click on the start and then we go to device manager. So at the device manager, supposing your Bluetooth is not showing here, you are going to click on view and then you click on show hidden devices. So it's going to bring your Bluetooth, okay, and then you're going to expand your Bluetooth. So if your Bluetooth device is grayed out, you are going to enable it. So to enable that, you are going to right click on your Bluetooth device and then you click on enable if it's disabled from here, okay? So this is how to show devices if your Bluetooth icon is not showing, okay? This is the second method. So the third method is to scan for hardware change. So to scan for hardware change, we are going to right click on the start and then we go to device manager. So at the device manager, you can click on this icon here to scan for hardware changes, or you expand the Bluetooth and then you right click on your Bluetooth device and then you scan for hardware changes. Okay, so this is how to scan for hardware changes if your Bluetooth is missing in Windows 11. So this is the third method to fix your Bluetooth issue in Windows 11. So the fourth method is to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. So to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter, we are going to right click on the start and then we'll click on settings. So at the settings, we are going to click on system. So at the system, we are going to scroll down and then we'll click on troubleshoot. And then we'll click on other troubleshooters. Okay, so here you can fix so many issues like audio, network, printer, Windows update, and what have you, okay? But in this video, you are going to troubleshoot Bluetooth. So I'm going to click on the run next to the Bluetooth. So it's going to open the Bluetooth troubleshooter, okay? Okay, so here it's asking for our consent. So yes, consent given. Okay, so now it says we will now run a Windows update to check for pending update. Sometimes pending updates can affect the Bluetooth functionality and result in Bluetooth not to work. So you can click on continue and then you follow with the prompt. Okay, so this is how to use the Bluetooth troubleshooter to troubleshoot the Bluetooth. Okay, so the fifth method we are going to take is to restart the Bluetooth services. So to restart the Bluetooth services, we are going to click on the search and then we type services.mac. Okay, so I'm going to click on the services. And now we are going to look for Bluetooth support services. So I'm going to click on that. Here is it, okay? So I'm going to double click on that. So at the startup type, you have to check if it's on automatic or manual. So if it's on manual, you have to change it to automatic and then you click on apply and then okay. And then when you are done, you are going to restart the services by clicking on this icon here, okay, to restart on the services. So I'm going to click on this icon and then I'll select the Bluetooth and then I'll click on yes, okay. So it's going to restart the Bluetooth services. So it's restarting the Bluetooth services, okay. Okay, so when we are done, we are going to now move to the sixth method, which is to update the Bluetooth drivers. Because if there's issue with the Bluetooth drivers, the Bluetooth might disappear or the Bluetooth might be more functional. So to update the Bluetooth drivers, we are going to right click on the start and then we'll click on device manager. So at the device manager, we are going to right click on our Bluetooth. So I'm going to expand that. Then I'll right click on the Bluetooth. Then I'll go to update driver. Okay. So at the update driver, you can search for the drivers automatically over the internet by clicking on search automatically for drivers. Otherwise, if you have the drivers downloaded at a location, you can click on the browse my computer for drivers. And then you now go to the browse and then you select this PC, okay, you expand it and then you locate where you have your drivers, okay. If it's on the computer or it's on desktop, you select where you have the drivers and then you click on OK and then next and then you install the drivers if it's at a location, okay. So this the sixth method is to update the Bluetooth drivers, okay. So the seventh method is to reinstall the Bluetooth drivers, okay. So to reinstall the Bluetooth drivers, we are again going to right click on the start and then we'll click on device manager. So at the device manager, we are going to expand the Bluetooth and then we are going to click on our Bluetooth, okay. So you are going to select it and then we'll click on uninstall device, okay. So when you uninstall the device, you have to restart your system. So when the system is restarting, it's going to automatically reinstall your device driver, okay. So this is how to install the device drivers. You have to first uninstall it and then after the restart or when it's restarting, it's going to install the device drivers again, okay. So this is the seventh method to fix your Bluetooth missing in Windows 11, okay, is to reinstall the Bluetooth drivers, okay. So the eighth method is to install the drivers from the manufacturer's website, okay. So if Bluetooth is completely missing, you have to visit your laptop or motherboard manufacturer's website, okay, and then you download the latest Bluetooth drivers for your model and then you install it. After installing it, you do a restart of your system for the changes to take effect, okay. So this is the eighth method, is to install the drivers from the manufacturer's website, okay. The ninth method is to disable fast startup. So to disable fast startup, we are going to open the control panel by clicking on the search and then we'll click on control panel. So at the control panel, we are going to click on power, okay, the power option. So at the power option, we are going to click on choose what the power option does, okay. And then choose what the power option does. We are going to click on change settings that are currently unavailable. And then we are going to uncheck the turn on fast startup, okay. I've already unchecked mine, okay. So when you are done, you click on the cheats. So when you are done, you click on the save changes and then you do a restart of your PC, okay. So that is the ninth method, is to disable fast startup, okay. It might fix your Bluetooth drivers or your Bluetooth issue in Windows 11. So the 10th method is to check the BIOS or your UEFI settings, okay, because some computers allow Bluetooth to be disabled in the BIOS. So you have to restart your PC and then you enter the BIOS or UEFI by pressing on the F2, delete or F10 or escape during the startup, okay. So when you go to the BIOS, you look for wireless or integrated peripherals or onboard devices and then you ensure the Bluetooth is enabled. After you've done that, you have to save changes and then you restart your PC for the changes to take effect, okay. So this is the 10th method, okay, is to check BIOS or the UEFI settings if the Bluetooth is disabled from there, okay. So the 11th method is to install Windows Update, okay. So to install Windows Update, we are going to right click on the start and then we go to settings. So at the settings, we are going to check for Windows Update. So here you are going to click on check for Windows Update to check if you have any Windows Update pending or any Windows updates you have to do, okay. So it's checking for Windows Update. Because at times Windows Update can also cause a Bluetooth malfunctioning. So you always have to install any latest update if the update is available, okay. Okay, so after checking for the update, it says you are up to date, meaning my system is updated, okay. But if yours is not updated, you see an update available here. You click on install and then you install the update and then you do a restart of the system. It might also fix your Bluetooth issue in Windows 11, okay. So when you do this and it's still not working, the 12th method is to perform a system restore, okay. So to perform a system restore, so if you have a restore point and after you've installed an application or you've done some changes to your system, you can restore to a restore point the time the Bluetooth was working, okay. So to use the system restore, we are going to click on the search and then we type system restore. Okay, so you see create a restore point. So I'm going to click on that, and then here if you have a restore point, you can restore to the restore point. Okay, but in my case I don't have any restore points. Okay, I don't have any restore point. But in your case, if you have a restore point, you can restore to the time the Bluetooth was working. Okay, so after you've done all this thing and it's still not showing, this is the bonus tip. Okay, if Bluetooth doesn't appear anywhere, not in device manager, even with hidden device shown, not in Windows settings, not in BIOS, it could indicate this 4 things I'm going to show you. Okay, first, a corrupted Bluetooth driver. Okay, so if the Bluetooth driver is corrupted, it might affect your Bluetooth not to appear or not to show in Windows 11. Okay, a disabled adapter in BIOS. So if the Bluetooth adapter is disabled in the BIOS, it might affect the Bluetooth as well. A loose or failed internal Bluetooth model. Okay, commonly in laptops. So if you have a loose or failed model, it might also cause your Bluetooth not to be working. Okay, and the fourth is a missing chipset driver, preventing hardware detection. So these are also the causes of the Bluetooth not to work. So you have to check all these things. Okay, so this brings us to the end of this video. If you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.